So this is the hole. Spent about a week and a half drilling and splitting ledge without blasting, using hydraulic splitters. Now all this rust is coming in from on top of the ground. So this is all going to end up being under the EPDM rubber membrane. There's going to be like a cushion of fabric that goes over everything first, and then the rubber membrane will go over that as a final liner. So skimmer goes over in that corner here. Actually had to drill and split the hole to get the skimmer to the right depth, because it all has to match up with the patio level. So a lot of extra slabs were set aside as it was picked out of the hole. We're going to use these to build quarry edges. So here we are on the wetland filter side. Kind of a mess of a hole right now, but this will be filled with a special plastic chamber and a riser to put the pump in, and then this whole space will be filled with stone and aquatic plants, and this is going to be a natural filter. The pump will draw water down over a small section of a waterfall that's going to occur behind. It'll start behind the chimney, and as the water comes around the backside of the chimney, there'll be a waterfall to a water level in the wetland filter that'll probably be about 4 inches lower than the main pond. Okay, so heading back over to the main area of the pond. The idea has always been that I wanted the outermost section, which is right here, of the patio, including the fireplace, to feel as though it was cantilevered over the water. So the pond edge is going to begin at this dugout edge here, and the skimmer's right in the edge, that square hole in the stone. Then the wall of the water line will follow the high ridge of the curve that goes out to the right, and then to a green line on the edge of the dirt. Vertical line, that's the edge of major stone cliff work. So large boulders have already been cut off site, and they're going to be coming in piece by piece, carried in by the excavator, which is parked out near the end of this temporary drive we have that runs out behind the garage. So each piece, one by one, will be carried in or walked in with the excavator with the thumb. And you look at that machine, it has a thumb on the end of it to be able to pick stones and walk in with them. So the stones we're talking about are like 4 feet by 10 feet. And they're big pieces that are going to get set along the edge of these granite shelves. That green dashed line indicates the water line. So the walls are going to be built on top of these steps, leaving a center basin that'll be about 4 feet deep. So 2 sides of this, which will be from that vertical green line on the edge, a wall of granite will be carried around walk down beyond the back of the chimney with a variety of interesting features. Like here we're going to have 3 stepping stones. So when you want to be walking off the patio to get up on the banking, you'll be able to step from 3 different stones that'll be above the water line over to the bank. These will be kind of sheer cliffs of granite. The goal has always been to kind of mimic the features of a old abandoned quarry. There'll be a total of 3 pumps. 2 pumps will be housed in this skimmer, and then 1 pump will be used over in the wetland filter we spoke of earlier. So the combined capacity of all 3 pumps is in the neighborhood of about up to 24,000 gallons per hour. So they are variable speed pumps, so we can adjust them real time with a remote control, which will be kind of cool. And so anyways, deep section of water. The goal is to be able to step out, walk down, get in, float around, enjoy the waterfall, kick back on a hot sunny day. And then there's going to be hopefully a patio in this area off the edge of the pond. So this will all be either a brick or a stone patio. And then here is where there's going to be a L-shaped outdoor kitchen. So lots happening, lots to do. We'll check in later. Thanks for your time.